Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been aka Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, I'm going to give you guys some trading secrets. I'm going to show you how to master trading breakouts on a US30 step by step. Trust me, you're going to love this video. All right, so let me show you how to trade these breakouts, okay? And I also have a live video for you guys later on, and that live video is going to show you, okay, me taking a trade live, okay, making $1,000 in 20 minutes trading a breakout, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys that later on. Now, let's go to the charts, and I wanna show you guys 3 ways to trade breakouts, okay? Now, the first way you can trade a breakout is basically as soon as price breaks that consolidation, you can go in. And I'm gonna show you guys right now. So let's say that the market was going up, okay, pulling back, going up, and then we have this nice consolidation going on right here, right? Now, since we have an uptrend and we are consolidating, that means that the market is pausing and most likely it's probably going to break to the upside. One way you can take this breakout, okay, is just as soon as it breaks this consolidation and it breaks the top of the consolidation, you get in right away, okay? So if the market breaks this, right, breaks the high, you get in right away. You can put your stop loss below here, and then you ride it to the upside. Now I'm gonna show you guys an example right now. Okay, so here is an example, okay? Market is trending up. We have a nice consolidation going on right here. And as soon as the price breaks that consolidation to the upside, boom, you wanna get in, and you actually wanna put your stop loss below the consolidation, okay? And then I'm gonna show you guys real quick right here. So let's say that we get in right here, okay? And then as soon as it breaks that consolidation, now you can actually get in either right here, or you can wait for it to break the high. If you are a beginner, it's probably best to wait for it to break this high right here. And then, you know, you can get in the market. You put your stop loss below that consolidation, and you just wait for your profits, okay? Now, with this right here, what I see is extra confirmation. So if you have extra confirmation, something that gives you another reason to get in the trade, always use that, okay? So right here, what I have, guys, I see a trend line. So we have a nice trend line right here, okay, lining up, okay? So you see how the market pulled back to that trend line, and then we was consolidating, right? And after that, we broke out of that consolidation. So we have an extra confirmation that's telling us, listen, price touched the trend line, it bounced off that trend line. Buyers was so strong that it didn't break the trend line. It just basically consolidated a little bit and then boom, went to the upside. So that extra trend line confirmation, I love it because it gives you more confidence to take that trade. And not only that, it's telling me, listen, okay, we have multiple things lining up. Most likely this is going to be a high quality trade. Okay, so let's go to the second way you can actually trade a breakout. So let's go. Now, the second way you can actually trade a breakout is not getting in right away. You wait for the market to break out first, and then you wait for it to pull back. Okay, so we are waiting for that pullback. So this is the same example right here, but now we're waiting for that breakout, right? And we're waiting for the market to pull back to that breakout level, okay? And then we are looking for a reaction. As soon as we see the buyers come in, boom, we get in the market and we're looking for our profits. So let me show you guys an example on the chart. Okay, guys, so right here, we have a nice breakout, okay? And you can see the market pull back to that breakout. And as soon as price came back to that breakout level, you can see that the buyers came in the market and basically was trying to push this market up. So when I see that, automatically I say, okay, I want to get in, I want to be a buyer because most likely this market is going to continue to go up. So me personally, I will put my stop loss, okay, below. So let's say I get in right here, okay, I will put my stop loss below this candle right here, okay, and I will look for, you know, basically profits to the upside. All right, so that's another way, guys, you can play a breakout, okay, wait for it to break out first and then wait for that pullback, okay, and then attack when it shows you some type of confirmation that buyers want to come in, so you can join and basically take the trade and take your profits. Okay, so let me show you guys the last way to play a breakout. Now, this way right here is a little bit advanced, but I'm still going to show you guys because, you know, I love to basically help you guys take your trading to the next level. So let's go. Okay, so the third way, guys, is basically anticipating a breakout, right? So if you understand the market and you understand what the market is doing, you can look at the market in real time and say, okay, this looks like a consolidation and it looks like the market is probably going to break to the upside. I want to get in before it breaks to the upside so I can have that small risk and a big reward. Okay, so let me show you guys real quick. So let's say that the market is going up right here and we see that the market is consolidating and this looks like a nice triangle. So it's a strong possibility if it touched this support level right here, it's going to bounce off that level and continue to go back up. So if we know that ahead of time, we say, okay, if it comes to this level right here, show us any type of sign that it wants to go up. Let's say we see nice, buying right here, okay, and we want to get in. But I'm not going to just get in just because I want to take a trade. I'm getting in because I see, all right, listen, this looks like a possibility that the market wants to break to the upside, all right, and most likely it's going to continue to go up higher. And the reason why this is a good trade is because you have this small risk right here, guys, but you have this big right here reward to the upside. Okay, so we have this small risk right here, but the big reward. So you definitely want to take a trade like this because it gives you that great risk to reward. So let me show you guys an example on the chart. Okay, guys, so here's a good example right here. So let me back up a little bit. Okay, we have a nice uptrend. Okay, you see how we have a nice uptrend right here, and then also we have this nice consolidation triangle going on right here. So let me back up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Okay, so we have the market consolidating, and I'm looking at this and I'm saying to myself, man, this looks like a nice triangle. So if this market basically comes to this trend line, because we notice, look, let me show you guys real quick. So we have a bounce off this trend line right here, a bounce right here. Okay, now if the market comes back to this level right here, this line, this trend line right here, most likely it's probably going to bounce again. If it bounce and I see buyers, guess what? I want to get in the market, but I just don't want to get in just because I want to take a trade. I'm looking at the bigger picture and saying, wow, this could be a nice breakout too. So if I see any type of action that I like, okay, I'm going to get in. So notice how we have buyers right here, okay? And basically I would get in and look for, okay, put my stop loss right here and look for the breakout. I'm not going to just get in and probably get out right here. No, I'm going to say, man, I want this market to break out, okay, to the upside. And I want to see, a lot of buyers come in. So notice how we have this nice breakout, guys. So we have this tiny risk. Let me show you guys real quick. Okay, we have this nice tiny risk right here, but look at the reward. Okay, we have this nice reward, and this right here is a little bit advanced, but you can do this. So don't think you can't do this. Once you start to study the market over and over and over and study it in real time, you can start to take trades like this, right? But I love these trades because it would give you some nice risk to reward, right? Now, those are the 3 ways you can actually trade breakouts. I'm going to show you guys a live video of me trading breakout right now. But overall, guys, I want you guys to know this is what I do every single day. I trade supply and demand. I trade support and resistance because most people think that I only trade supply and demand because I talk about supply and demand a lot on my channel. Yes, I love supply and demand. And I trade it a lot. Okay, a lot of my trades are supply and demand, but I also trade support and resistance. I trade breakouts. Okay, you can't just be a one-trick pony. This is why I'm here. Okay, giving you guys 13 years of experience, trying to help you guys take your trading to the next level. So let me show you guys the live video right now. Okay, so before I press play, I'm going to explain the whole trade and what I was looking at. Okay, so right here you see that we have a nice breakout, okay, to the downside, and then the market pulled back to that breakout. Okay, and it didn't go all the way to the breakout, but it went close enough. Honestly, I thought it was going to go all the way to the breakout, but I'm going to show you guys what I saw. I saw resistance right here, resistance right here, and resistance right here. So we have a triple top, okay? The market basically couldn't go above that level. So first we have the breakout, and second we have that pull back to the breakout, even though it didn't go all the way to the breakout. Sometimes it doesn't have to, okay? And the third thing we have, guys, is the triple top resistance, right? So I saw that. I saw a nice rejection right there. I got in the trade, and I put my stop loss above that candle, and I was looking for my profits. So I'm gonna play the video right now. So I'm in the market. Everything's looking good, okay? Just to let you guys know, this is the futures platform. I trade US30 on the futures platform because everybody asking me, hey man, what platform you using? It's a future platform. You can trade US30 on a Forex platform or the futures platform. I like the futures platform, okay? So we're looking at this. The market is going down. Everything's looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fast forward the video. Let me show you guys what happened next. Okay, so you see the market going down. Everything's looking good. Honestly, really no drawdown on this trade. Everything is working good, guys. It was going straight down, and you know, I'm looking at the trade. I'm loving it. So let me show you guys what happened next. Okay, so we have this bounce right here. I didn't get nervous. Okay, I'm looking at it. I'm like, man, you know, it's a possibility buyers can actually come back. If it did, I would basically get out for a break even. It wouldn't be a loss anyway. But I'm looking at this. I'm like, all right. I see buyers coming in, but it's looking kind of weak. So I'm like, I'm not concerned yet. Okay, so I'm just waiting and basically, you know, being patient, because when you're trading, guys, you got to be patient. So let me fast forward this and show you guys what happened next. And boom, right there, you see the market going down, and basically it took out my first profit target, and I'm waiting for the market to continue to go down. Let me actually fast forward this a little bit. Boom, it took out my next profit target. I'm waiting for the market to take out my last profit target, and you're gonna see it take it out. Boom, there we go right here. If you look to the left, I'm up $1,065.50, okay? And that trade was around 20 minutes. So I can't complain about that. That was a lovely trade. Again, it was a breakout trade, a pullback, okay? I saw a resistance at that pullback, that triple top, and then I took that trade. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is what I do when I trade the markets. And I want to show you guys, you know, what I'm doing step by step so you can take your trading to the next level, okay? Because I know there's a lot of struggling traders out here, okay? All right, so that's it. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. If so, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you join my free Telegram group, because I post charts in there, and sometimes I post exclusive discounts for my training program. And if you want deeper training, guys, if you want to learn how to do something like this, all right, go check out my training program. It can take your trading to the next level, all right? And comment below if you have questions, because I try to answer all you guys' questions, all right? So thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.